I'm Jewel, and I'd like to welcome you to the first video of the Sparkin STEM Virtual Experiment series. These experiments will be a great way for you to stay engaged during the final month of summer vacation and also have some fun. Today's experiment is called the Inverted Balloon in a Bottle Experiment, which I personally find really cool, and I'm sure you will too. As I conduct the experiment, feel free to conduct it at home by yourself if you have all the materials needed. So let's get started. The materials you're going to need for this experiment are one glass bottle with a narrow neck like this, a balloon, 1 tablespoon of water, a hot pad, and finally an oven mitt. So the first step for this experiment is to pour the tablespoon of water into the glass bottle. Be careful, if you have a funnel, be sure to use it so you don't have any spillage. Next, we're going to take this and put it in the microwave for 1 minute. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Once the minute is over, use the oven mitts to get the bottle back to your workstation and place it on a hot pad because it will be hot. The next step is to quickly and carefully stretch the balloon over the mouth of the bottle. This might be a good time to have adult supervision if you're scared of getting burned by the hot bottle. Make sure when you do so, the balloon is centered in the bottle. Just like that. So you can see it's centered. That's a really important part of this experiment. Now, the hands-on portion is over, and now we just wait and watch the magic happen. As you can see, there may be water vapor particles on the inside of the bottle, and soon your balloon's gonna slightly be moving by itself and getting sucked into the bottle. This may take a long time, so sit back and watch the show. A few seconds later, you should be able to see that the balloon went from outside to inside the bottle, and now it is inverted and it's going to be expanding inside the bottle. So why did this happen? What was the reasoning or the science behind this experiment? You see, when the water was heated up in the microwave, it became water vapor or steam. This pushed out air from inside the bottle to outside, and when the water started cooling down with the balloon on it, it became liquid again, which is why at the bottom you can see liquid again. This caused a difference in air pressure between inside and outside of the bottle. As the air pressure is higher outside, the air was rushing back into the bottle, which also brought along the balloon with it. Thus, the balloon expanded inside.
Please complete this form, which can be found in the video description, to enter a draw and win a prize. All you need to do is send in a video or a photo of you performing this experiment that was shown, as well as answer the mandatory questions. Also, if you complete and submit all forms for each experiment by August 29th, you will get a special shout out on our final video of the month. Remember, the more experiments you do, the better chance you have for winning the prize, as each form is one name in the ballot. So be sure to try all the experiments.
This concludes our first experiment for this series. If you enjoyed this experiment, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And stay tuned for another experiment next week. Bye!